Types of in-service program for English teachers. Hello everyone. Here I am going to discuss in-service programs. In-service मतलब कि आप कहीं ज्वाइन कर लिए हैं, आप कहीं काम कर रहे हैं, बट आज के समय में अपने आप को अप टू डेटेड रखने के लिए या अपडेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड टू टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस एज अ इंग्लिश टीचर, we have to enhance our CV, we have to enhance our capabilities to know the latest or updated knowledge. So, how it can be possible? Here we will try to know what are the different in-service programs for teachers. We all have to attend and we all have to follow these in-service programs. In-service programs are organized training and professional development activities provided to teachers while they are already working in a school. तो इट्स मीन कि आप जॉब कर रहे हैं, ड्यूरिंग देयर जॉब उनको अपडेटेड नॉलेज के लिए इन सर्विस प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करना चाहिए. These programs helps teachers to update their knowledge, improve teaching skills, learn new educational methods according to change in curriculum technologies and assessment. तो it doesn't mean कि आप जिस पैटर्न से पढ़ा रहे हो और जो आपने पढ़ा था और जो अभी फॉलो हो रहा है वो हमेशा वैसे ही रहे. इसमें जो भी चेंज पॉलिसीज़ नॉर्म्स आते हैं उन सब को जानने के लिए इन सर्विस प्रोग्राम बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है. अब जानेंगे हम लोग टाइप्स ऑफ इन सर्विस प्रोग्राम्स. नंबर 1 इज़ ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम्स. इंट्रोड्यूस टीचर्स टू न्यू करिकुलम, टेक्स्ट बुक्स, टीचिंग मेथड्स एंड एजुकेशनल पॉलिसीज़. नंबर 2 इज़ एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रेनिंग. Train teachers to use smart boards, language labs, educational apps, and digital resources effectively. Subject enrichment program. Focus on improving knowledge of English, grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, literature, and language skills. Next, peer observation and mentoring. Teachers observe each other classes, receives feedbacks and learn effectively teaching strategies. Action research programs. What does it mean? Encourage teachers to investigate classroom problems, मतलब real problems, and improve their teaching through research. अगर आपने टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस के थ्रू आपने देखा कि क्लास में क्लास मैनेजमेंट, स्टूडेंट डिसिप्लिन, स्टूडेंट बिहेवियर, एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड टू द टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस इन द क्लासरूम, how instant you can resolve this problem by your instant research, by your instant knowledge of related to the particular problems. Refresher course. Update teachers' knowledge of English language, literature, grammar and modern teaching practices. Next we have workshop. Short term hands-on practices, training on topics such as lesson planning, classroom activities, assessment and use of technologies. Seminar and conferences provide opportunities to learn from experts, discuss current issues and share teaching experiences. Webinar and online training, virtual professional development program focusing on digital teaching tools, AI and online English introduction or instruction, online English instruction. Next, professional development courses, certificate or diploma programs to enhance language proficiency, communication skills, soft skills जिसे हम बोल देते हैं, and teaching competencies. Next we will know what are the exact objectives of in-service program, why we need this, improve students' learning outcome, enhance classroom management and assessment skills, improve English language proficiency, update teaching knowledge and skills, introduce innovative teaching methods, promote continuous professional development. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this in-service program will help you